Hello everyone, welcome to watch the introduction video of Scumaxcon 360 Pro 3S host. The main upgrade of this generation host is the upgrade of wireless CarPlay and Android Auto to enter the app interface, then click on Apple CarPlay and connect our host through Bluetooth to enter the CarPlay system. This enhancement provides a seamless integration between the host and mobile devices, allowing users to easily access and control their favorite apps while driving. In the CarPlay system, everyone may be familiar with it. There are numerous applications that can be utilized, such as Apple Maps, Waze, Spotify, and some other related software. One of its advantages is that it can be controlled by voice. This means that you can directly summon Siri while driving. After summoning Siri, you can state whom to call or navigate to a specific location. The convenience of hands-free operation and the ability to multitask make CarPlay a highly sought-after feature for many drivers. This host can also wirelessly connect to install auto, so wireless installation auto is also connected via Bluetooth, and it can also be voice-controlled, which is very convenient. Similarly, find our Bluetooth interface, but note that only Android 9 Plus phones can be used. Upon connection, the system will automatically enter the Android Auto interface. Furthermore, Android Auto offers a wide range of applications, enhancing its user-friendly nature for Android users. Notably, popular apps like Spotify, Waze, and commonly used maps such as Google Maps can also be accessed and utilized within the Android Auto environment. Installation is relatively simple compared to the bottom. Generally, our Volkswagen cars have three types of connectors. One is this type of large connector, one is the ISO standard connector, and the other is the MQB standard connector. Therefore, we have the capability to connect all three types of connectors without any issues or compatibility concerns. By default, we make use of PQ head. If it is an ISO head, you will need to make a purchase of an adapter cable MQB, which can be directly plugged into the car stereo. The installation process is relatively easy and straightforward. Simply connect one end of the cable and plug the other end into the car power supply. This ensures a seamless and hassle-free setup for your car audio system. This car machine does not support DAB, so if you find that some connectors cannot be plugged in, it doesn't matter. It may not affect the use of the car machine, just some functions are missing. In addition, we have several types of connectors for our collection antenna. If there is a slot missing, you can purchase it separately. After confirming that the car machine can run normally, you can install the shell. At this time, click the power button, and we will see the FM stereo system. This device supports FM and AM radio functions. It has 16 channels that can be stored. You can manually search for channels and save the ones you like by long pressing. We can also use the auto search function to find the channels we want. All of these features are available for you to enjoy and make the most out of your radio experience. Whether you prefer manual or automatic channel search, this device has the capabilities to cater to your needs and preferences. Rest assured, you'll have a seamless and convenient radio experience with this versatile device. That is correct. This left scan key actually possesses the function that, as long as we click it once, it is capable of finding the next channel, and then we are able to directly enter the settings on the right side. Here you can adjust the equalizer of the sound system to select high, medium, or low settings. You can also configure the Gala system, which consists of commonly used functions. Additionally, we have the option to set different music styles for the DSP. If a subwoofer is present, we can also adjust the power amplifier specifically for the subwoofer. Currently, this host supports both single and split punching modes. It does not have a separate interface for single score and control. This is the difference between it and RS510. If we listen to music, we can use SD card, USB, and Bluetooth. We can also set whether to display album name, song name, singer's name, and so on. At the same time, we can also choose the volume and other settings in the music settings. We can also set the emperor's position, which is also a very important function. The host of Samsung 360 Pro 3 models can support wireless CarPlay and install auto, but there are differences between 3 and 3S. 3S can support OPS and support multiple languages, while 3 does not support OPS. Then you need to buy two versions, English and German. If you are a German customer, please buy the German version. If you are an English-speaking customer, the English version is fine. Other languages are not supported for now. The Maxon 360 Pro 3 models of machines do, in fact, have better cost performance. However, for customers with multi-language requirements and OPS requirements, they have the option to choose 3S. If wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto are not necessarily needed, they can also select the second type of host, which supports wired CarPlay or wired Android Auto instead of the wireless options. If you encounter any issues during installation and use, please contact our brand's official website as per the instructions. Our website has customer service personnel who will provide professional guidance and installation after sales support. Thank you for watching our video and trusting our brand. We appreciate your choice of our products. We also offer a variety of other hosts and modification plans. Please visit our homepage for more information. Thank you for your support and for choosing our brand. We value your satisfaction and are here to assist you. Feel free to reach out to us.